How to remove filter from Snapchat picture or photo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to remove a filter from a Snapchat picture or photo quickly and easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, before starting anything, let me tell you that on Snapchat, once a photo is saved with a filter, then the filter usually cannot be fully removed. However, there is a few things that you can try. So here, let's move forward with the method 1, that is to remove filter before sending. So here, let's say if you just took a photo with a filter on it, then here what you can do is just swipe left, and through here you can just go over to the normal screen through which you can remove the effects on the video. So here you can just keep swiping until you reach the original photo without any filter, and once you do that you can just send or save the picture without the filter. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to edit photos from memory. So here, if the photo is saved in Snapchat, then what you can do is you can just open the Snapchat, and after that you can simply swipe up to open memories, and there you can simply select the photo, and after that you can just tap on the edit snap button. And now here, once you do that, you can try removing or changing the filter if editing option appears. And that's it. So if the photo was saved or exported with the filter, Snapchat does not provide a tool to completely remove that filter afterward. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.